Is it time to buy or sell CoreWeave Class A common stock? In this video, we will explore CoreWeave Class A common stock in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of May, 2025, our system has identified CoreWeave Class A common stock as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.39. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 249.5% since we initially listed CoreWeave Class A common stock as a buy candidate 28 days ago. This reflects an average return of 8.91% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a continued increase within this trend is anticipated. Our latest daily update for CoreWeave Class A common stock includes the headline, CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock price down 4.44% on Tuesday. The CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock price declined by 4.44% on the last day, Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025, moving from $162.10 to $154.90. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.24%, with a day low of $149 and a day high of $158.30. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 24.95% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock, which is considered a positive sign, as volume typically follows the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 5 million shares, with a total of 24 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $3.73 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $166.60, while the lowest price was $33.52. Currently, the price is 7.02%. or $11.70 below the 52-week high of $166.60, which is also the all-time high for the stock. CoreWeave Incorporated is currently navigating a turbulent period, following a significant drop in its stock price after a bearish report from D.A. Davidson raised concerns about its financial stability. On the 10th of June, 2025, shares of CoreWeave plummeted, reflecting skepticism among analysts regarding the company's high levels of debt as it strives to expand its artificial intelligence cloud services. This cautious sentiment is echoed by tech research head Gil Luria, who suggests that investors might find better opportunities elsewhere in the artificial intelligence sector. The competitive landscape is intensifying, particularly with rivals like Nebius Group, as both companies aim for dominance in the artificial intelligence infrastructure market backed by Nvidia. In this environment, CoreWeave's ability to maintain investor confidence is critical. In the short term, the impact of analyst downgrades can pressure stock performance, leading to further sell-offs as investors reassess their positions. Conversely, CoreWeave's strategy for aggressive expansion may bear fruit in the long run, potentially restoring investor optimism if the company can demonstrate sustainable growth. Although recent gains briefly boosted investor interest, the analysts' warnings could lead to heightened volatility. As a recently publicly traded company in a rapidly evolving market, CoreWeave's future hinges on its ability to balance risk with operational success amid growing competition in the booming artificial intelligence sector. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned CRWV a market perform rating with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned CRWV a neutral rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned CRWV a neutral rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned CRWV a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned CRWV an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned CoreWeave Class A common stock a general strong sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for CoreWeave Class A common stock. CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $146.57 and $84.46. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, June 4, 2025, and thus far the stock has decreased by 5.03%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 29 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 20 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for CoreWeave Class A common stock. CoreWeave Incorporated Class A common stock finds support from accumulated volume at $150.48. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, with a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $9.30 between its high and low, representing a change of 6.24%. In the past week, the average daily volatility has been 12.18%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and could signal risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of August, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates currently stand at negative 23 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock price. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CoreWeave Class A common stock is at $162.10. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, CoreWeave Class A common stock encounters its first support level at $150.48. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for CoreWeave Class A common stock from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by McBee Brannon, who bought and sold 2,058,060 shares or options in the company. Based on the 23 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 48.743. Overall, insiders purchased 2,287,739 shares and sold 649,361 shares in the last 23 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $146.74, reflecting a decrease of 5.27%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which results in a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is CoreWeave Class A common stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for CoreWeave Incorporated Class A common stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 11th of June, we expect CoreWeave Class A common stock to open lower by 83 cents, starting at $154.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.